Microsoft Designer is a web-based image editing tool that uses AI to help you create many types of graphics, poster, presentation, and more on Windows 11, 10, macOS or Linux. You can use it for virtually anything, but the company designed it to help content creators quickly create images that they can share on social media and other channels. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install Microsoft Designer as an app on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Google Chrome. Click address bar, then type designer.microsoft.com. Then visit this site. Click the Customize and Control button in the top right corner. Select the More Tools menu and choose the Create Shortcut option. Click the Create button. Once you complete the step, Google Chrome will install the progressive web app version of the Microsoft Designer on Windows 11. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.